It always seems impossible until it's done. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. It is not where you start, but how high you aim, that matters for success. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. I am the captain of my soul. The brave man is not the one who has no fears. He is the one who triumphs over his fears. Nothing is black or white. Lead from the back, and let others believe they are in front. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. Your playing small does not serve the world. Who are you not to be great? Once a person is determined to help themselves, there is nothing that can stop them. Peace is the greatest weapon for development that any person can have. There is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. We must use our talents to build a better world. Do not be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Only in doing so will you find true growth.